Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of March the 5th to the 11th. This ad has some magic and razzle dazzle to it and tons of deals. This is a longer video because, yeah, there's so many deals and I'm pretty hyper for this ad. I think it's going to be a terrific week. The first thing I want to point out in your digital coupons folder, this booster showed up. I either got back a 6 or a 7. Always your mileage may vary. I have two different accounts. That's why I have two boosters. And again, it's valid from that window only of the 5th to the 11th. They are of a one-time use, so even if it's still hanging out in your account, it's a one and done. It stacks with a paper booster and sometimes other digitals. For the balance, use debit, credit, or bills. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash, or it will mess everything up. Okay, so this also popped up another booster. What's unique to it is health and wellness owned brand products. Doesn't even very wordy. And it's valid from the 5th to the 25th. So this booster, I think if we buy another $30 of whatever this is, we'll probably get an extra $10. So that will have to be investigated. We really hop into the deals. Pumpkin's asking a very big favor on this Saturday morning. If you can give this video a big thumbs up, it really helps out his mom's channel and the old YouTube algorithm. So just give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, and if you are a diehard pharmacy shopper, you might want to dip a toe into Dollar General. Their clearance event is taking place right till Sunday the 5th, and guys, I got a whole table of stuff for $25. It's absolute magic, and it's really fantastic, some of the stuff they have this go around. I will link two different videos if you wish to watch them. Lots of great information to get like really cheap items, including free Suave body wash. How cool. Deal that we're going to talk about is with the L'Oreal Paris Skincare. Buy one, get one 50% off. Okay, so this serum is kind of like expensive at $29.99. Buy one, get one 50% off because it's skincare. And we got a very unique coupon a couple days ago, and I was putting it in my communities tab. I'm like, load this one right away. And a lot of you got this coupon. It's a $20 off a 2. Very generous coupon. We also have an IVC, which is a Walgreens coupon, and it's $5 off of each. So you'll also have to load this coupon. Now, if you might have one of those boosters that I was showing you at the front of the video, load this booster. It's not a coupon. So looking at the math really quickly for this, two of these L'Oreal Skin, I'm going to call them fancies, $44.98 on a BOGO 50% off. Subtracting the two $5 IVCs, the total is $34.98. Have your booster loaded. The $20 digital's coming off. You're paying $14.98 with your debit card, getting back $7 in Walgreens cash, making it $7.98 for the two, $3.99 per. If you have a paper booster, this potentially could be a freebie, such as a 7 back when you spend $25. Let's remember, as you're using a spend booster, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. But $3.99 for this serum, like, that is cheap fanciness if I've ever seen it. Like, absolutely fantastic, and one deal I will be testing out. So now we're going to be taking a peek at the deals of the week. The first one is with the Cheerios for $1.99, which is a really great price. I think it's upwards of $5 for this cereal now over at Walgreens. We're going to load this coupon, which is $1 off 2 General Mills cereal. Over on IBOTTA, they're giving back 50 cents back for specifically Cheerios. If you look at the bottom, between Walmart and Target, Walgreens is there. Grabbing two of these boxes for $3.98, subtracting that digital, you're paying $2.98, submitting for $1 back from IBOTTA, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per box. And again, I think this cereal is like $5.99 or close to $6, so this is a tremendous deal. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Now we're back with the Olay Old Spice. Buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. We have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3, so we're going to utilize it if you didn't use it last week. Grabbing 3 of those Olay body washes, that's $21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $16, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $12 for the 3 or $4 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not using a booster with this deal. If you have a booster like spend 50, get back 10, or spend 60, get back 12. This would be a really smart item to grab. Okay, so now we're looking at some free toothpaste, $3. Those are the ones we're looking for. And we have a $2 digital, $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 cheap cress at $3 a pop, that's 6. Subtracting that digital, you're paying 4 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it free. Again, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward, and who doesn't love free toothpaste? This deal is back, which is absolutely fantastic of buy one, get two for free for the complete home freezer storage sandwich bags. Typically priced at $2.99, pay $2.99 for the first, the other two are free. It shakes it out to like 99 cents per, a fabulous price point. Another deal I'm really excited about is the complete home trash bags, very typical to Glade or Glad or whatever it's called, I think. $1.99, especially the smaller trash bags for kitty litter, that sort of thing. That's a stock up price at $1.99. Okay, so we're looking at another Dove body wash deal. $7 a pop, $4 Walgreens cash when you buy two. If you didn't use this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2, let's put it into play. Grabbing two of these for $14, subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $9, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. It makes it $5 for the two, or $2.50 per Dove. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, this next deal is for all the parents out there. We're going to be getting a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for this little dealio starting on Sunday. So here it is, grabbing 2 bags of the diapers. It is $21. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $17, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $13 for the two, or $6.50 per bag. Again, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. We have the Dawn dish soap for $1.29 with a 50-cent digital, dropping it down to 79 cents for like a little dish liquid. The Dawn concentrate really goes a long way. It is a favorite in our household, so definitely a stock up price at 79 cents. We also have a pretty respectful hand soap deal. The soft soap is BOGO 50% off, $4 store reward when you buy 4, so that's pretty cool. Grabbing 4 of these at $2.49 a pop, that's $7.47. You're going to get back your $4 register reward, making it $3.47 for the 4, or 86 cents per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Also, sometimes this manufacturer gives us digital coupons, so we'll have to wait and see what we get on Sunday morning. It might be something terrific. Yet another terrific deal is with the Skintimate. The disposables are $6.99. Earn a $4 store reward when you buy 2. We have 1 digital, so load this one. Plus, over on coupons.com, there's a $4 rebate for Schick disposable. Load it and use it. Grabbing 2 of these is $13.98. Subtracting that 1 digital, you're paying $4.98. Making that submission to the coupons.com app, you're getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2, or 99 cents per disposable razor. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that $4 register reward. This deal, let's just kind of take a guess, because it wasn't in the Flip app, the digital coupons, but typically Colgate gives us either like a 4 off of 2 or a $2 off of the brush and the paste. So this potentially could be a really good deal. Grabbing 2 of the Colgate products for $7.98. Theoretically, some sort of high value coupon will come off. Pay $3.98, get $4 back in Walgreens cash, making it free. No booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Alternatively, too, with Colgate, sometimes rebates appear on coupons.com. So if we only get a $2, you can do $2 and then make a $2 submission to the coupons.com app. Definitely going to have to be reading those tags on Sunday morning. $5.49. And then I think it's usually buy 4, get a $5 reward. And then also on the same promotion from the same manufacturer is the Cascade. What is the quantity? We're going to have to figure that out tomorrow. Grabbing 4 Tides, for example, for $21.96. Get back a $5 register reward. $16.96, so $17 for the 4. Not so great. We can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. No booster you're using in concert with the deal. I want to know the coupons, and is the increment by 3 or by 4? Because if it's by 3, it's so much better. And if we have digital coupons, especially for the Tide, this is a solid deal. So just throw this one on the back burner. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one that we have is the Oscar Mayer Bacon 2 for $10, and this is a really good price point, especially if you're on the keto diet. IBOTTA had 75-cent rebates for raw bacon, and that's what it is, but it had a time ticker on it. Will it reappear later in the week? Yay or nay? It can make the bacon even cheaper. Arm & Hammer is buy 1, get 2 for free, so it's usually like $7.49. That you're paying for the 3. So if Arm & Hammer is your favorite, that might be a stock up price. It's usually like the pods, the liquid, their scent beads, the whole line, and it shakes it out to $2.49 per. Not the worst price. And this deal, I don't know, in case some high value digital coupons, but $11.99, $5 reward when you buy 4. That is kind of rich for me. So I'm going to be allergic to that deal. It seems like a lot. The Cadbury cream eggs for $2.50, subtracting that dollar off 2 digital coupon, so it makes it like 75 cents per. Not the worst deal. The Hershey's Kisses for $2.99 again this week. There's a dollar off 2, so it makes it $2.49. That's another IVC coupon. So some inexpensive chocolates for those Easter baskets that I know a lot of us are getting ready to fill. And BOGO free on the whole cashews, my absolute favorite. And the Nice brand is not the worst. I do like this brand quite a bit. If you're interested in shopping at the Dollar General by Sunday the 5th, check out the videos right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.